Self-care is essential for maintaining physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It involves intentionally taking time to recharge and address your needs. Regular exercise and a balanced diet enhance physical health, while adequate sleep restores energy and cognitive function. Mental self-care includes activities that reduce stress, such as mindfulness, meditation, or hobbies that bring joy. Setting boundaries in personal and professional life helps protect your time and energy. Emotional self-care involves expressing feelings, seeking support from loved ones, and practicing self-compassion. By prioritizing self-care, you enhance your ability to cope with stress, improve relationships, and maintain a positive outlook on life. Regular self-care practices lead to a healthier, more balanced, and fulfilling life.